Hello friends, it is Melanie and I am here with another haul. I'm not even gonna do my whole spiel defending myself. We're just gonna hop right into this haul, okay guys? This is like a wintry haul because, you know, once again, it's cold. Yeah. So today I have accumulated a lot of things over the past however long. I have some thrifted stuff, some stuff that was gifted, some other stuff that I randomly bought here and there. So I'm just gonna show you guys all the things that I've collected. If you want to see how I style any of these things, I usually post my outfits on my Instagram stories, so you should go ahead and follow me there. I also post like outfit inspo and stuff just sporadically throughout my feed. Okay, so if you want to see any of that, go ahead and check that out. And yeah, you should just follow my other socials too, because, you know, like while I'm shouting myself out, you know, might as well just. Other than that, we're just gonna get straight into this. We're just gonna start off with some thrifted goods because that's what's next to me right now. This is from a few different I don't know what I'm saying. It's pretty early. I naturally woke up at like 8 a.m. and I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm the kind of person when I wake up, I don't really try to keep sleeping. I'm just like, I'm up. I'm just gonna. So then I started filming. Today is a productive day. First off, I'm gonna show you some stuff I got from a Value Village. I got these two items. So the first thing is this top. I honestly have no clue why stuff like this intrigues me so much, but I really like it, but then I never end up wearing it. But I swear I'm gonna force myself to wear this somehow. But it just reminds me of more of like a summer item, so I might just toss this in like the closet for a little while. But it's just this men's like long sleeve, and it's kind of like a faded stripe pattern. It kind of looks denim-y, but it's not. It's really soft and it's nice and worn in, and then it has like white and burgundy stripe. I can imagine myself wearing this as like a dress or a cover-up, just because it's huge. It's like a men's, doesn't have a size. I have no freaking clue. It would probably fit like a dress on me, so I think I could imagine wearing this as like a cover-up with like a bunch of necklaces or something, since it kind of has like the open button down like slouchy casual beach girl surfer something kind of vibe, you know? I don't know, whenever I see stuff at thrift stores, I'm not usually looking for things. I just like something catches my eye. So that's what happened with this one, and it was like a few dollars, so I was like, yeah. Otherwise, if I don't do that, I might like crop it or something. And then the other thing I got is this sweater, and I've just been obsessed with cropping sweaters, whether that be like thrift flipping it and like hemming the edge or whatever, or just doing like a raw cut. I just love things cropped. Actually, it's not that I love things cropped, I just don't like things that aren't cropped. So basically everything I own is cropped, or will be eventually. So I just got this v-neck tight ribbed sweater, and then I already cropped it, and it's this baby pink. I also have this thing where I'm all like, I'm not a girly girl, I don't like pink, but then I keep getting attracted to pink, but then I don't want to wear it because I'm like, I'm already very pink, I don't know. But I really like this, and it's very thick, which I need because I'm a cold person, cold human being. So I like this, and I love v-necks because they look very good with jewelry. Going on with the v-neck trend, the sweater trend, and the pink trend, I have these items. These things are from Goodwill, but I have another very similar v-neck, but this one's kind of like cable knit, so it has a cool little pattern going on, and it's a cream color. I'm also gonna crop this one. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So that's what this one looks like. And then I have this pink mock neck, which I've been obsessed with mock necks. I just really like them by themselves, or like underneath literally anything. Underneath sweaters, I would literally wear it underneath this. I think that would look really cute. So underneath like v-neck sweaters, underneath baggy like t-shirts, I'm just really obsessed with it. I love layering. So I got this one. I don't know if I'm gonna crop it, probably will not. Also from Goodwill, I got this Nike crew neck that's red. I'm definitely gonna be cropping this one. I know I really don't need more crew necks, I don't need more Nike, but whenever I see it, I'm just like, I feel like I have to, which is really bad. But I know I'm gonna wear it. I'm just gonna crop it and then do the little like waistband elastic thingy because I really like how that looks, and then I'm probably just gonna wear it with like mom jeans and Air Force Ones. Very basic, but I know I'm gonna wear it for sure. And then I got a couple sweaters. This one is just from Forever 21, but it's that nice super soft material. You can tell what it is, you know what I'm talking about, but I have no clue what it's called because I don't know the names of my materials. Super soft. It's kind of like a cable knit thingy, if you can tell, and it's like this dark green color. I've really been into dark green. I think it's very in for the season, for winter, and just in general it's been very in recently. I am quite washed out. So I really like this, very soft also. It's a size small, and I don't remember if I said that, but it's from Forever 21. And then this sweater, I'm probably going to crop and like have to sew somehow so it doesn't get unwinded. Yeah, it's just a turtleneck, and it has this cool like schoolgirl print. It also has it on the sleeves, and I think this will look super cute cropped. I think I'm gonna crop it like right underneath the design, and then like, you know, you'll see. I'll probably put it in a thrift flip or something, and it gives me those schoolgirl, you know, vibes. It's a little out of my comfort zone. And then the last thing I thrifted is this. I didn't try it on because honestly I was way too lazy, but I thought this was cute. It kind of goes with a few trends. It has the little like tie in the front. Not sure if this is gonna look weird on me since I do not have boobs, but I guess we'll see when I try it on. Kind of like a velvet material, and it's this like dark teal shade. It reminds me of like Juicy Couture, which I really like. I don't own any Juicy, so I was very intrigued by this. Next up, I have some things from Brandy and PacSun, my weakness. I got a couple pairs of jeans because I love their jeans, but I did ask you guys if you noticed their jeans shrink, because at first I thought I was just like, you know, gaining that holiday weight, but then I realized everything was tiny, and I knew I wasn't growing taller, and they were so short on me. And I asked you guys if you noticed your PacSun jeans shrink at all, and a lot of people said they did. So I think I'm gonna start hand washing them. I love their jeans so much, and I bought these before I realized that they shrink. So first off, I have this pair. I'm obsessed with these. I brought them to Germany. They just have these like patching where it's like dark wash and light wash, and they're straight cut. At first I was obsessed with PacSun's mom jeans, but now I'm even more obsessed with their straight cut jeans. I don't know, they just fit really well. So I have these ones, and they're like paneled. The thing about their straight cuts is that they are like button up instead of zipper, which is a little bit annoying. And I used to be super against these little I can't find them, these little button things, but like it covers it up, so it really doesn't matter. It's just like if you have to pee really bad and you have to unbutton all of them instead of just like zipping it, it gets a little bit annoying. Also, my Christmas tree is crooked. You probably didn't notice until I just pointed it out. I got these ones. I got another pair of light wash mom jeans. These in a size up, and hopefully they don't shrink. They also were out of my size, so I just got the size up because I was like, I'm not going back here. I got those ones on Cyber Monday, so they were literally $19. And then I got one more pair. These are straight cut. They're black jeans, and then they're kind of ripped. I love these ones. They're the same as the ones I'm wearing right now, which you cannot see because I'm sitting. But oh, also look at my socks. These are cabin socks. They're like the best things ever. They're so soft. These are the straight cut mom jeans and light wash, and then these are just the black ones. Love these guys. They're amazing. I have to keep tapping because I keep getting washed out. Then I got a few tops. I just got this dark green sweater, and it's like a turtleneck. The thing is, when I wear turtlenecks, I feel like classy, but then I actually look stupid, and I feel like they make me look fat because like they cover your neck up, and then it looks like you don't have a neck, and then I don't know, just in photos, and then it like blends in with my hair. I don't know, I'm probably not making any sense. It's a cute sweater, good quality. This is also on sale. I need water. And then I got this Brandy, whatchamacallit, cropped hoodie, the one that I talk about literally all the time and how I love it because it's cropped and it's so cute, and I want it in every single color, so then I bought it in another color, pinky lavender. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what color this is. It's like pink but purple at the same time. Really cute, nice thin jacket, perfect for layering once again. And then the last thing from PacSun is this little top, and it's just like one of those crossover little things from the Me to We brand, which I really like. Nice little wrap, and I think this can be dressed up or down, and it's very good for the holiday season. I got these two scrunchies from Lululemon. I know what you're thinking, I'm stupid for buying scrunchies. I probably am. I heard they're really good. Okay, this is honestly like a treat yourself kind of thing. We're done with that. Then, while I was in Germany, I've been wanting this bag, and so I ended up getting it there just because like the conversion and like the tax and like duty free, it all worked out, so it was more affordable. Just this big navy bag, and I think this is perfect for like traveling, but it's also good. I use it for like schoolwork and stuff, or if I just want to lug around like my computer or a lot of things. And it's also compactable. It folds up. But I'm not gonna fold it right now because I'm a little bit too lazy, and this video is getting a little bit long. I really don't want to say it because honestly I feel like I'm saying it's either Longchamp or Longchamp or something. Please don't make fun of me. This is like the highest end thing I ever. Okay, we're gonna stop there. And I got a little mini one to go with it. I didn't even know these existed, and this was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I probably shouldn't have bought this, but look how adorable it is. It's like look, It's like a big daddy one and a little baby one. And they're so cute. And I'm gonna keep them together, and I'm gonna use this for like my camera batteries and SD cards. Then from Target, from the Wild Fable brand, I actually love this brand or line at Target a lot. It's really, really good for basics, and it's pretty dang affordable. I just got 2 plain long sleeves, and they're just ribbed plain tops. So I got this one in this mauve color and this one in this yellowish color. I figured these would be perfect basics just for wearing with like mom jeans or straight jeans or leggings. I don't know, literally anything. They're just really nice quality basics. And then I have some goodies that I got from Hollister a while back, but I never showed you guys, so I'm gonna show you now. First off, I got this skirt, which is perfect for the holiday season, except it's freaking cold, but it's very nice and thick and lined, and it also has pockets, which is awesome. I think this would look really good with tights. Then I also got this sweater, which I wore in like an Instagram post or something, but it is actually reversible. I like wearing it with this cool scrunch in the front, but you can also wear it as a totally normal plain sweater and have this in the back. I also have this sweater, and it's just this v-neck rib, not really ribbed, but this v-neck sweater, but it's so soft. It's so soft, I can't even explain it to you. I like that you can wear it as like a shirt, or you can unbutton it and wear it like as a cardigan. And then I had this in an Instagram post. You guys seem to really like it, and I like it a lot as well, but it's just this fleece quarter zip. But I really love that it has a little scrunchie at the bottom so you can tighten it. Just really, really good quality. The arms are like cuffed, which is awesome because it keeps your arms nice and warm. I don't know, the whole thing keeps you really warm. This thing is so comfy, but it's also very adorable. And I love the pattern. It's a nice neutral shade also. So it's not too crazy, but the pattern is kind of, you know, tribally and out there and fun. I also have 2 pairs of jeans. These are dark wash skinny jeggings that are high-waisted, and they also have a bunch of rips in them. These are actually like the comfiest things ever. They don't even feel like jeans, which I freaking love. And then this is a pair of Hollister boyfriend jeans that are super distressed, and I actually really like these ones too. They fit very, very well, and the distressing is awesome because it's like so much. I have a few more things to show you. I just got a pair of Nike Air Max 270s, and I got them in like this black and white shade. I've worn them like once. Very, very comfy. I was gonna wear these for like gym shoes, but I'm gonna just wear out my old gym shoes and just wear these as like sneakers, I don't know, everyday outfits. I got them from like Foot Locker, I think. I'm pretty sure it was Foot Locker. They're also super comfy. They give me some height. The very last place I have is Garage. I am absolutely in love with Garage. I go there. I actually don't go there a lot because it's not at the main mall that I usually go to. I just got 3 items. 2 of them are the same. They're just like ribbed mock necks. So I got one in this very light gray, and then I also got one in this cream color. These are crazy soft. I know I don't need this whatsoever, but probably the best purchase I've ever made. Just this pair of sweatpants. Okay, don't hate me. Yeah, I hate myself for getting these. I literally felt them and I was kind of just like, Melanie, don't do it. But then I did it anyways because I frickin' suck. But these are like the softest sweatpants I have ever felt. I love them so much. They make me so happy, okay? This is kind of embarrassing. This is how you think a girl would talk about like boys or something, but I'm over here talking about how I love these sweatpants. That's enough. I'm gonna limit myself so I don't talk about those sweatpants for 5 more minutes. Alright guys, so that was my haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!